Good day, everybody. I want to talk about religion and the universality of religion. Religion is one of the most inclusive and at times divisive issues of the day. In fact, going back centuries, religion has had the ability to bring peace and war, appreciation and condemnation, unity and conflict. At its core, though, I believe religion and the various religions in the world have 5 commonalities, 5 aspects that you'll find in just about any religion. And these 5 start with truth and honesty. At its really core of a religion and a society is the ability to tell the truth, to say what you're doing and where you're going, and have a sense that people have a belief in what you say and what you do. It's important because we can't, as a society, create enough laws and have enough police officers to ensure that we have a civil society. And religion, the belief in others, which is at the core of religion, the belief in something, states that you have to have truth and honesty in every relationship that you have, not just with others, but also with the idol, with the religious icon that you serve. So truth and honesty forms an underpinning of this relationship with religion, and consequently, it's a relationship between others on this earth as well. Second is charity and service. Charity, also known as giving back. There is a belief in religion that some are fortunate and some are not fortunate. This is not meant to be interpreted that you should rely on others for your existence. A sense of hard work often permeates religions. But what does permeate more is a sense of charity and service. Those who are less fortunate, some that are disabled or have impediments, those should be taken care of by society. It's a mark of a good person, religions believe, if you have a sense of charity and service. Third is compassion. Compassion is one of my favorite words. It means that some are not just fortunate, but those that aren't fortunate, we really should have they should have a special place in our heart. We should certainly take care of them with charity, but we should have an understanding and an appreciation, even an empathy in some cases, for the hardships that befall some people. And that is compassion. It really is a trait we don't talk about much today in today's world. But compassion means not only that you understand, but that you're there to help. In some cases, I think compassion has to do with the sense of niceties, the common decencies, but niceties, meaning that you care about other people. And care is a great word. You care that people are well, that they have good food, and also that they're happy. That's compassion. Third is respect for others. We often call this the golden rule. Treat others like they would treat you. Treat others like you would expect to be treated. Treat others as you would want to treat yourself. And in fact, treat others better than you expect them to treat yourself. Call that the golden rule. And the origin of that rule is in some religious teachings centuries ago, and it's lasted to today. And respect for others is different than compassion. Respect for others is actually doing something better than you would want people to do to you. And it really, in addition to truth and honesty, forms underpinnings of a great society. Lastly is doing what's right. There's a sense that you should do always what is right. It's usually against some moral code in a religious document, whether it's a Bible or a Torah or some aspect of a written document. But doing what's right. Usually what's right is that which improves society. Those are the 5 aspects of religion, and they permeate in nearly every religion that we see. Hope it provides some background as we move forward and discuss other aspects of religion. And, as always, it's been great to spend time with you.